That tingle?
Hey, shit. Son of a bitch.
That tingle?
Oh, why did you do there? Get the fuck away from me. Nick.
Hit the wrong test. Hit the wrong test.
Cut off. What the hell? New record my ass, dude. I didn't do good in that. Okay, now where am I? Alright. Got it. I thought that broken boat was a treasure hoarder. My god. Nothing appears there, so then I go this way. So I got a majority of the things here, and it was like, alright, you got like a majority of things there. Claimed the rewards, got everything. Yeah, boy, I have purpose in my life. Yeah, boy. Wow, you could really see the detail. Dragons. Oh my god, you stupid son of a. Oh, motherfucker. I hate that so much. You just get stuck and it's like, oh, it's too shallow. Son of a. Alright, anything here? Oh, that's Inazuma, man. Man, straight down there, Naokumi Island. Straight down there, Sarai. Wow. I think these things are just here. Yeah. There. Now.
Now it's take two to go.
Ow, you fucking. Get over here then.
Jab and cross.
Is there another? No, that's it.
Transfiguration.
Just you wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Get out of here. Okay, now then. Now what? I go back to my ship. Yeehaw. There's nothing here. Circle around. That's right, baby. That's 100% correct. I have to try to destroy it in the shortest amount of time. That is correct.
That tingle?
in it. That's pretty good. They say so myself. And there's only 2 of them that exist. Yes, and then there's this thing in there. In the water. In the water. Yeah. Of course it's in the water. It's always in the water. Alright. Full throttle. Going forward. Yeehaw. Oh, heck. Is that, man? Okay. Never mind. What do I have to do here? Ah. Huh. Challenge accepted. Got it. Oh, got it.
A new job.
Whoops. Oh my god. Full speed.
That tingle little taste.
Just die. Get out of here.
Picked the wrong test subject.
Come on, motherfucker! Ah. Cool. My bad though, because I kind of slipped up. Where am I? Oh, I'm over here. Yo, wow, I went from there to here. That's crazy. And there's another one over there. Yes, and there's also that thing. Also exist. Yes. This thing I already did, and then I went ahead and did this. Yes. So that brings me back to here. Another waypoint. Wave Rider, I meant. Yes. Yes. Away I go. Again. The 3rd time.
Are you here to play
No,
with
you're not
me?
special. Leave me alone. Ugh. Zhongli is so tall. Crazy. Life is like a hurricane in here. There's unusual activity here. I'll investigate. What the heck? The elites.
Now it's mine! Freeze and take 2 to go! I will have order. Gather! Ebb and cross! Freeze!
Do your master's bidding! Illusion shattered!
And take 2 to go! Freeze! Just you wait! Order guide! Stabilize!
There's no escape!
There's a whole box of them here. Come on, get over here. Could have been way quicker, if I'm being honest. But it's whatever, I digress. And Shao is literally on the verge of dying. Pretty good, pretty good. That is not good. He's almost dead. Full throttle. Oh. Full throttle ahead, you son of a bitch. Just tips over. Or here. That's a quite long compared to before. However, I feel as though we've done it. Completed it. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Anyways. That's it. Wait, no, there's more. Oh, yeah, there's more here. Oh, yeah. And this one? Okay, that means I did everything here, 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 and here, as well as here, 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 and here. Okay. So that means Great Gathering done, Wondrous Shadows all done, part 1, part 2, part 3. Move on to Flameplume's this, and then we must go to the quest to start. Okay. Nice. Gong Hei Fa Choi. Am I right? Or Gong Xi Fa Cai. I think I said it incorrectly. I apologize to my fellow Mandarin speakers, even though I'm Cantonese, because that's what my family speaks. And you think about it, not really. The parents speak different, but they both can speak the same. Oh my god.
Send this report to the Ministry of Civil Affairs and have them delegate each of the tasks on the list to the appropriate departments. Also, be sure to tell them that though the Lantern Rite may be complicated, everything must be done properly.
Oh.
Hello,
Yes.
Lady Mingguang. It's us again.
We're not disturbing you, are we?
No, of course not. You are my honored guests. And given the looks of you two, I presume that you're here to celebrate the Lantern Rite?
That's right.
Yeah.
So what's on the agenda for the festival this year?
As always, there will be a variety of activities taking place. Oh, but there is one of particular interest. The Ministry of Civil Affairs is planning a fireworks show this year. It should certainly be worth your time. Releasing Mingxiao lanterns has always been at the heart of the Lantern Rite. But with all that has occurred in Liyue as of late, I think the people of the city need something to warm their hearts. A feeling of everyone coming together in solidarity. So, I believe that this year calls for a celebration of particular magnificence. Something that would be closer to the hearts of every citizen. We are currently in the process of placing fireworks at various locations all throughout Liyue. We shall choose a timely moment during the festival to set off all the fireworks in unison, allowing the sparkling lights and excitement to resonate with the hearts of the people.
Fireworks? But we've already seen fireworks in other places before. Is there something special about the fireworks at Liyue?
Fireworks were originally developed alongside many other inventions here in Liyue. When our ancestors first created fireworks, they were originally known as firecrackers. Their bright flashes and loud sounds were often used for warding off beasts or as warning signals to other people. In those days, it was difficult for people to contact one another while out farming the land, so they would carry firecrackers with them to give signals when necessary. But people's lifestyles began to change after Liyue Harbor was founded. They no longer had to travel out of town to tend the fields anymore, so the use of firecrackers for emergencies also began to dwindle. But through our local customs, the pioneering spirit of the firecrackers has been passed down to this very day. We made improvements to firecrackers and began setting them off during the Lantern Rite to commemorate the tenacious spirit of our ancestors.
Wow. Everything has so much history in Liyue.
As I'm sure you already know, everything on this land accumulates history and value as time passes. That is the nature of Liyue. I've left Kuching in charge of the fireworks show. If you're interested, why don't we pay her a visit together?
Huh. Huh. It's an entire quest. Okay, I believe this is the fastest way. Yeah, this shall be the fastest way. Oh, jeez.
We need to add a few more locations for launching fireworks. The show has to be visible all across Liyue, not just in the city. They celebrate Lantern Rite in Jingsa Village too, you know.
But, Lady Kuching, what about our budget?
The budget is exactly what it's meant to be. It's the necessary amount of funds to properly carry out a task. If you think the current budget will not suffice, then we'll simply have to apply for more funding from the Ministry of Civil Affairs and wait for their approval. Our aim is to organize a memorable Lantern Rite. The budget is there just to facilitate planning. We mustn't lose sight of our goal.
Yes, Lady Kuching. I understand.
Good. And please remember, safety first. Oh, it's Ningguang and the Traveler. Good to see you. Are you here for the Lantern Rite? Your timing couldn't be any better. The preparations are almost complete.
What are you working on?
I'm reviewing the positioning of the fireworks and double-checking the relevant facilities. It's all in a day's work.
Forgive my directness, but if I'm not mistaken, you could just as easily leave these tasks to your subordinates. You've already been working around the clock these past few days. I am sure a break would not be amiss.
No, it's fine. Really, I can handle it. Pengyi, please redraft our plans, make a summary report, and send it to the Ministry of Civil Affairs. I'm going into town to check the progress of the fireworks setup. I'll return shortly. As for you, Traveler, you're our esteemed guest. Please take the opportunity to stay in Liyue Harbor and enjoy the festivities. Pengyi, is everything clear? Please remember the tasks I've given you.
Yes, Lady Kuching. Don't worry.
Good. Ningguang, Traveler, goodbye for now.
Please, excuse me, Lady Ningguang. And, Traveler. I must get going. Lady Kuching told me a great deal of information, and I have to write up the plans from scratch again, so time is of the essence. Oh, one moment. I almost forgot. Here, traveler. This is a launch tube. Lady Kuching said you may be interested, so she had me keep one to give to you. Someone with good handicraft skills should be able to use this to design their very own fireworks. You should try it when you have the chance.
Whew. Paimon couldn't get a single word in just now. Well, more like Paimon didn't dare open her mouth while they were talking. But still. Did you notice it too? Lady Kuching is a lot more outspoken than she used to be. And she seems a whole lot busier too. Wonder why?
Ever since the Adepti left Liyue Harbor in the hands of mortals, we Qixing have taken up the responsibility of leading the people. We have taken charge of many vital tasks in various sectors, and we are responsible for planning and organizing all sorts of affairs. That said, being in charge of everything inevitably takes its toll. It's exhausting at times. Jiangzhou was responsible for planning the Lantern Rite in former years, but her father is getting quite old now, so she transferred to another department this year. In the end, the Lantern Rite planning was left to Kuching and myself. I am the head organizer, while Kuching is responsible for the highly anticipated fireworks show. Such an important event should be entrusted to the most qualified candidate. Kuching is disciplined, yet passionate about her work, so she's naturally the best fit for the job.
She's definitely disciplined. No doubt about that.
Absolutely. She is strict with both herself and others, to the point that she can even become overly involved at times. She's worked several days without a break now. I'm concerned about the effects it may have in the long run. Finding balance is an essential concept in Liyue culture. I've tried talking to her, but you know how she is. She uses her wit to talk circles around anyone. Traveler, you are quite close to Kuching. Why don't you try talking to her? Maybe. Thank you,
Yeah,
Traveler.
I got it. Don't worry.
I am glad you are able to help. Kuching can be a tough nut to crack sometimes. I still have other business to attend to at the Jade Chamber. I'll leave Kuching in your capable hands.
Got it. I got this. I got this.
Are you sure you can really persuade Kuching to take a break? Even Ningguang herself couldn't manage to convince her.
I convinced Xiao to come to his Lantern Rite
before
last
you
year.
can persuade someone,
I can
you
bring
have to at
Kuching
least understand
to
how they
take a
feel at
break.
the moment. Kuching has been working non-stop without a break. Duh! Come on, everyone knows that. Think harder. How does she feel deep down inside? Or maybe we could ask a friend. You know, someone more knowledgeable about these things.
Zhongli.
Huh? Zhang Li?
Very knowledgeable about people in Liyue.
Oh, there's no arguing that. Zhang Li it is then. Paimon thinks he's still a consultant at the Wangsheng Funeral Parlor. Let's go see if he's there.
Vroom. Vroom, vroom. We're going in. The Lantern Rite. Ooh, so pretty. And we're here. Cat.
Hello. How may I help you?
We're looking for your consultant, Zhongli.
Ah, yes. Well, I'm afraid he is currently out with the director.
Out with the director? Oh, you mean for work?
The director said that they were going for a walk. If you'd prefer, you could go look for them at Third Round Knockout.
Alright.
I've heard the director often goes there to do, promotion.
Uh-oh. Hey, Granny. How old are you? It ain't too late to, buy a casket. while they're fucking eating. Third knockout, that should be this one. Never mind, it is the other one. Not the pavilion. Almost the other one's pavilion. Oh my goodness. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Ah.
Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, I am so full. Not another bite. Hats off to you, Xiangling. Serving the grilled fish with a dipping sauce is quite an innovative approach. The flavor is just to die for.
That's my signature dipping sauce. I knew it would taste great.
Tempered Jueyun chili powder mixed with garlic paste and chopped scallions. Then seasoned with salt, vinegar, and soy sauce, before finally sizzling in hot oil. This recipe may seem a bit crude, but is entirely hinged on the precise balancing of flavors and seasonings by the chef. Everything must be balanced just right. It is the consummate mastery of this balance that turns a humble dish into an exquisite one.
Oh, that's quite the compliment, don't you think?
I'm flattered. Thank you, Mr. Zhongli.
And I thought I have a way with words. But you certainly take the prize, Mr. Zhongli.
You are too kind, Director. Your eloquence is infamous in Liu Harbor.
Oh, what's that? Oh, would you like to order something, Guoba? Oh, please, by all means, it's my treat. I'll just open a tab under Xiangling.
Oh. No.
Hey, are you guys talking about tasty food again?
Oh,
Took a picture.
it's the
I took a
traveling
picture, you son of a...
What brings you to this side
You
of
started
town?
without me. Anyways,
Hold on, let me take
guess
a
whatever.
wild guess.
It's totally fine. But...
Yes. Oh, you must be here for the lantern, right?
Yes, I am indeed here.
Isn't it pretty obvious? Anybody could have guessed that.
But the NPCs in the
come
background
on,
are like,
can't you take a
you
joke?
know.
You came at the perfect time. I was just letting everyone try my latest dish. The owner of Third Round Knockout says it's, well, a real knockout. Mr. Zhongli and Hu Tao seem to like it too, but I think it never hurts to let more people do a taste test.
True.
How about it, you two? Would you like to have a taste? Huh. Don't
I
have to
fucked
ask
it up.
Paimon twice.
I'm so
or
sorry
once even.
to everyone. It was now an audiobook. We're here for him.
You mean we're not gonna try any?
No, we're not.
Fine. Let's get down to
I fucked
business.
it up.
We meet again, traveler. I
Yo.
trust your journey is going well?
Not bad. We learned a lot.
Splendid. Therein lies the value of a journey.
So come on. Why are you looking for our good consultant? Do enlighten us. And just in case you were wondering, we're on business too. We only tried Xiangling's dish since we just happened to be here.
Business? What kind of business would the Wangsheng Funeral Parlor possibly have during a festival?
Even during the most
I regret
joyous
taking
of holidays, life still follows its natural course, does it not? Is that really so surprising?
That's the thing.
But there isn't need
That's
to be alarmed.
the thing,
It's
Mahoya.
just a nice day today.
Yeah,
And I
bugs
thought
you
we could go for a
gay.
walk while doing a little
You
promotion
got
for our
bugs in your
business.
day. You had things
Oh,
to
you
improve,
can go ahead and
yet
chat
you
away.
sometimes just
Xiangling
don't
and I will go
improve
have
on
some
them.
tea with the boss over there.
I'm just
Oh,
like, bruh.
Zhongli, please come get me when you're through here.
Of course.
Character
I'll see you
dies,
later,
takes too
Director.
long. Yeah, it takes way too long.
Now then, traveler. What brings you to see me today?
Well, long story short, please refresh. Oh, it didn't
Yes.
refresh it. Oh.
The Yuheng is honest, intelligent, and most diligent. She is capable of shouldering responsibilities that few others could. But everything has a balance, and one's health must certainly weigh in.
I guess so. Is there any way you can help?
Yeah, everyone knows you're super knowledgeable. Paimon bet she would listen to someone like you.
If I were still the mighty Rex Lapis, I might be able to help her see reason. But alas, I'm now nobody but an ordinary consultant. My words no longer carry the same weight as they once did.
Aw, damn.
Besides, I am by no means close to the Yuheng. Taking the liberty to lecture her may just as easily produce the opposite of the desired effect.
Oh,
I think
you're
this is a
right.
mobile game.
Then what should we do?
Man, playing
We
on
could
computer
take a more
sure is
subtle, indirect approach to the matter,
a luxury, huh?
such as telling a story that resonates with her, containing your message conveyed within it.
just waiting until
Such a
it goes.
story
It
can
was
be achieved by
announced that it
referencing
get on the
topics from her
Switch.
daily life. The story could prove even more effective if you weave in something about someone close to her.
Paimon doesn't really get it.
I knew you'd understand what to do.
Yeah.
Well done, traveler. Go collect some source materials for your story. Of course, I can always provide you with my advice, if needed. Once we have formulated the plot, you can tell the story to the Yuheng.
Got it. Yeah, wait, what?
You are on amiable terms with the Yuheng, which makes you the natural candidate.
Oh,
Like Vito's in the city.
we need to talk with people who know coaching, right? So who should we start with?
My girl and a real
Greetings,
girl,
everyone.
please.
I hope I'm not intruding.
No, it's gonna continue.
Oh, Lady Kuching!
Don't tell me she's gonna. Okay, finally it ended.
Mr. Zhongli, I didn't expect to
No,
see you.
it's still going.
Thank you for all your assistance during the rite of parting.
You are most welcome, Yuheng. It was the least I could do.
What the fuck? What are you doing here, Kaching?
Why? And what's with your strange expression? Oh, I see. My apologies. I appear to have interrupted your conversation with Mr. Zhongli.
No, not at all.
Kuching, are you here looking for us?
Yes, I was going to ask you to introduce me to the Adepti. I thought that it would be fitting to send them some festive gifts. On behalf of the Liyue Qixing.
Would you like to send one to
Didn't
Rex
you
Lapis?
meet them
He's
when
right
we were
there
fighting
sitting
to
on the
defend
floor.
Liyue Harbor together? You could just as easily go and find them in Juyun Karst.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
true.
but we only met briefly on that single occasion. The Adepti may have already forgotten about me. And I'm concerned it would be imprudent to show up so suddenly.
I guess.
Which is why I thought it would be more appropriate to ask you to introduce me first.
Look at the eyes still blink. Oh my god! Your boy, what is his name? Shen Ping? I don't know. Did you ask Ganyu?
Unfortunately, Ganyu is on leave at the moment, so I'm unable to get in touch with her. I'm afraid I'll still require your assistance.
So you even have to run around delivering gifts in person? It sure doesn't seem easy to be a Qixing.
We'll help.
Thank you, Traveler. Let me go and prepare the gifts. I'm sorry to make you run errands with me during our big festival. I promise to make this quick, and I'll be sure to get you back in time to enjoy the fireworks show.
No problem. We can watch together.
Together?
Yes.
All right. I'll go to see the fireworks with you once I've finished my work. Speaking of which, Mr. Zhongli, the fireworks show will be particularly exciting this year.
Don't show.
Please,
No.
don't miss it.
No.
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Thank you for your
I thought I
kind
was gonna
reminder.
zoom down on him, just
I should
sitting
be
on
going
the
now.
floor.
Traveler, please come find me at the Jade Chamber once you're ready.
No. Oh,
And there she goes.
true.
That's the Yuheng. Efficient and reliable as ever.
You're really reliable too, Zhongli.
Oh my god, you truly are.
Why,
No.
thank you, Paimon.
This is like fucking
Don't forget
Professor
our
X,
earlier
dude.
conversation. Once you've collected enough story material, we can meet here again and discuss things further.
True. Oh my god. You didn't even let me. You son of a. Blocked. Blocked. Behind quest. Thanks for giving me that. Please move normally. Please move normally. Please move normally.
Once you've collected enough story material, we can meet here again and discuss things further.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry. But at last...
Made another handsome sum today.
Made another handsome sum today. Enjoying the festivities, are we? Nave, next time, what do you, what? I have to wait. How long is this recording, though? Long.